Hey, have you ever wished you could just zap your Android screen onto your big PC monitor? Well, guess what? Today, we're going to make that happen. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You know the feeling, right? You're trying to show off some photos, or maybe you're deep into a mobile game and you're just squinting at that tiny little screen. Wouldn't it be so much better to have all that blown up on your nice big computer monitor? The good news is, it's totally possible, and we're going to walk through 3 of the best ways to do it. We've got a great all-rounder for most people, a super fast option for when you're in a hurry, and finally a pro-level tool for all you power users out there who demand performance. All right, first up, let's talk about what I think is the best choice for most people, Phone Link. The best part? It's already built right into Windows, and it is fantastic for all your day-to-day stuff. So who's this really for? Well, if you want to go wireless, if you want to just drag and drop photos from your phone to your desktop, or reply to text messages with a real keyboard, yeah, Phone Link is going to be your new best friend for sure. And you know what? Getting it set up is an absolute breeze. Just pop open the Phone Link app that's already on your PC. Then, on your Android phone, you'll need the Link to Windows app. And hey, if you've got a Samsung or a Surface phone, it might already be installed for you. From there, you just follow the prompts, scan a quick QR code to pair them up, make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi, of course, and then just click the phone screen icon. That's literally it. You're in. Okay, but what if you're in a hurry? You don't want to install any new apps, you just need to get your screen mirrored, like, right now. Well, that's where our second method comes into play. The real magic here is that it uses technology that's already built into both Windows and Android. We're talking 0 new apps, no trips to the App Store. It is absolutely perfect for those, hey, you gotta see this moments when you just need it to work. So here's how you do it. On your PC, there's a tiny, one-time setup you might have to do. Just dive into your settings, look for projecting to this PC, and make sure the wireless display feature is installed. Once that's ready, launch the Connect app. Now grab your phone, swipe down for your quick settings, find the button that says Cast or maybe Smart View. The name can be a little different depending on your phone, and just tap on your PC's name. And just like magic, your screen pops right up. All right, for our third and final method, we are cranking things up a notch. If you're a gamer, a developer, or really anyone who needs a lightning-fast, super responsive, low-latency connection, you absolutely need to know about Scrcpy. And get this, it's totally free, it's open source, and it is an absolute powerhouse. Now, to unlock Scrcpy's power, we have to flip one little switch on our phone called USB debugging. I know, it sounds kind of scary and technical, right? But don't worry. All it really does is open up a super highway directly between your phone and your PC. It's that direct wired connection that gives Scrcpy its incredible lag-free speed. And turning it on is actually kind of fun. Just go into your phone settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and find the build number. Now, here's the secret handshake. Tap on it 7 times. No, seriously. You'll get a little message saying you are now a developer. How cool is that? This unlocks a new hidden developer options menu. Just go in there, find USB debugging, and flip the switch on. The PC side is just as easy, I promise. You just download Scrcpy from its GitHub page. It's a tiny little file, no big deal. Unzip the folder, plug your phone into your computer with a regular USB cable, and then just double-click on the scrcpy.exe file. Your phone will probably pop up a message asking for permission. Just tap Allow, and bam! A window with your phone screen appears right on your PC. Okay, so there you have it. 3 fantastic options. The easy all-rounder, the super fast cast, and the Powerhouse Pro tool. So the big question is, which one is right for you? Let's lay it all out. If you just want simple wireless convenience for everyday stuff, Phone Link is the winner, hands down. If you need to throw your screen up on a monitor with 0 notice and 0 installs, Native Cast is your hero. But if what you crave is pure, unadulterated speed, I'm talking gaming, development, anything where lag is the enemy, then that little bit of extra setup for Scrcpy is absolutely worth it. It really comes down to this, the convenience of wireless versus the unbeatable performance of a wire. So which one are you? Are you the all-rounder who just wants it to work? The quick caster who needs it in a pinch? Or are you the pro who needs that raw performance? Think about what you really need to do, and the answer should be pretty clear. And just like that, the wall between your phone and your PC, it's gone. Imagine gaming on that big screen, managing your apps with a proper mouse and keyboard, or just making your whole workflow seamless. The possibilities are, well, pretty much endless. So the only question left is, what are you going to do with it?
Infotech, I 460.